2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5N is no mere carbon copy Kia. Okay. Why would it be a carbon copy Kia? Well, I guess they're the same company, same parent company. Character is what will set this electric hot hatch apart. And boy, howdy, there's plenty of it. It looks to me like the previous Ioniq 5.
It kind of does, right?
What is the N aspect contributing to Hyundai's hopped up N lineup? Ooh, is it going to be faster? Is one of the more interesting corners of the affordable car universe. Every vehicle under this banner carries all manner of user adjustability, from damping stiffness to tailpipe volume. These settings let owners settle into a groove that better aligns with their personal taste, and it helps set N apart from less configurable competitors. The Ioniq 5N will be the first performance EV in the parade. So it's like that's the hot hatch is back. The Honda Civic, the Type R's, and I don't remember what the other brands had. What did V-Spec? What did Nissan have for their performance? And Toyota had... You know what I'm saying? They all had their own letter.
Yeah.
But I can't remember because it's 1,000 years ago. But I definitely knew in high school.
I remember Type R's.
Well, Type R for
Civics.
sure.
Yeah.
But each brand had its own thing. Toyota had their own... Were they just S? Could you get a Corolla S? What was the cool Corolla? X something? Yeah. I don't remember. Apparently, we're not getting to the bottom of this. People are going to... Golf had an R. TRD. No, that's for the off-road.
What was that, GT?
Oh, TRD. Toyota Racing Development. Okay, cool. Nissan was R. RS you have for Audi. Anyway, you always have these things. So what about EVs? Can EVs have their own... Can GTI, you had WRX STI, and Nissan had R as well.
Kia had GT right now for EVs.
GT?
Yeah, right here.
Doesn't Ford have GT with Mustang as well?
Yeah.
And Porsche went with turbo, which was controversial because people were like...
Where's the turbo?
Exactly. I don't mind N. Sure, go with N. I don't know what it stands for, but I like the idea of a slightly more performance-oriented Ioniq 5 because I love that formula.
It's very popular.
I like the look of it.
Yeah.
And the design and everything. At its winter proving grounds in Sweden, Hyundai admitted it's not quite ready to divulge the full specs. The Ioniq 5N's dual electric motors combine for a net output of 600 horsepower. Ooh, which is close to the 576 horsepower Kia EV6 GT. That's the one you're talking about. There are fewer underlying components in common than you may think. Many of its underpinnings were tweaked just for the N division. So can I get like bigger brakes? Can I get...
Oh, yeah.
Can I modify my regen?
I'm guessing this will be like race ready, like on the track.
Let's go.
If it's performance.
People are worried about the range, though, if you're getting the N type.
Yeah.
If you're getting the Type R, then maybe you're going to take a range hit. But hopefully you can just mod it, like tweak it.
And to see a SUV on the track, that'll be
via your
fun.
different modes. Like in the Taycan, you have a lot of different modes you can put it into, right?
Yeah.
You can go from comfort to sport plus, whatever. And obviously you're going to take a range hit, and you can actually see the range hit reflected when you switch to the different mode. Mm-hmm. So I presume they'll do the same thing here. If you want to have it more pedestrian speed, you can do it. But I like this. This is fun. Yep. I'm cool with it.